Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Whatever time of day it is for you guys, it has been an absolutely fantastic day for me, and it is not over yet. So, for those of you that can see, we're not at the racetrack. It might be a little bit foreign to you guys, but we are at my house in my garage. The reason that we're starting this video off here is I may or may not have bought a car. So, those of you guys that don't know me, I am Donald. I do all of the media and stuff for the Antidote guys now. Those guys they're very cool. I've always sort of, been in the car scene. I've had S chassis most of my life. It is not an S chassis. We'll start with that. The only hints that I will give you guys is it's from Japan. And it's right-hand drive. So those are the only two hints we're gonna give. We're gonna start cracking away here. We have a lot of work to do before we can actually get the car and get it here. We have to move all of this stuff here because the car is right-hand drive, so we're gonna put it on this side of the garage so I can get in and out of it really easily. I need to sort of tuck the tire machine away in the corner a little bit further. Maybe get rid of this fridge. It's not really working. It's just storage. We're going to move all of this stuff over there. And hopefully I can move that heavy couch over here. Beyond that, we have a little bit of storage back here that we have to work with. But as you guys can see, it's getting pretty tight back there. I don't want to get too clustered or anything. I really hate clutter. Another big thing is, since we're putting the car here, all of that wood there has to sort of go up in like the rafters sort of over here. So got a good bit of work to do. We're gonna get cracking, man. Let's do it. What's up, guys? It is a new day. We sort of forgot to film the outro for the video from yesterday when we cleaned out the garage and got the garage ready for the new car. I didn't really reveal anything to you guys yet, so we're actually waiting for a ride right now from our buddy Taylor to bring us to go and get the car, because where it is, I don't really want to leave my car there and go back and go and get it later. So I'd rather just have somebody drop me off and then bring the car back home.
So stick along for the ride, guys. This is gonna be the grand reveal. I hope you guys think it was worth it. Cabs here!
Cabs are here! The cabs are here! The cabs are here! Cabs are here! Cabs are here!
Whoa, the technique. Whoa. Just a little introduction on Mike over here. Mike is actually a detailer over here at NOLA Motorsports, but he's also a firefighter on the offhand. What a hustler.
I'm a hustler. I'm a hustler.
So I think it's time for the grand reveal. I'm not going to keep you guys waiting any longer. So here it is. I bought a 1996 Toyota Camry. The plane. It's saying. I'm so tired.
My wrist.
Try to play golf. No carts going on in the background. Try to make a video. There's a freaking plane flying over us. Now hold on. Bear with me. It's not actually a Toyota Camry, although it looks like that. It is a Toyota JZX 90 Mark II. So this little dude here it has been my dream car since I was probably 9 or 10 years old. I was dreaming about things like this when people were dreaming about Ferraris and Lamborghinis and McLarens. I'm dreaming about GTRs and JZXs. So actually the JZX 100 was always my preference. It's always what I wanted over anything else, over a Skyline, over a McLaren GTR or whatever. But the JZX 90 is the little brother, and I am overly ecstatic. I honestly cannot believe it. I am still expecting to wake up from a dream at any moment. I don't believe that it's real. So this guy, for those of you that don't know, a buddy of ours, Connor, has cancer, and we were doing a little raffle for this car, and I'm the media for Antidote Drift and stuff like that. I do all the videos, and I did a video for this car for the raffle, and I absolutely fell in love with it. I said, what do you want for the car? I can't let it go to some rando. No offense, you guys. I couldn't let it leave, man. It was the homie's car, and I need the homie's car to stay around, so now it's mine. Let's talk a little bit about this thing. It is not a chaser. However, it does still have the 1JZ. It's not the one that everybody turbos. This car will most likely stay automatic for a little while just because it's my car. I'm the photographer. I don't really need to be drifting and everything right now. And if I do trick it out and get out on the track and everything, that's just one more thing on my plate when I'm coming out here to film for these guys. So it does have the digital dash. It's got this beautiful touchscreen in here already installed for me. It's got the optional trash can over there. Look at this wood grain. Look at that. Got a ball cooler that's underneath the steering wheel so that everything can stay all nice and cool on a super hot day. Here in Louisiana, y'all know we need that. Let's get the old girl washed up. She's looking a little dirty. So here we go, guys. First drive in a right-hand drive car. A little nervous, but we're not really gonna worry about that too much. I'm just gonna start going. Car is shining. Brakes feel good. Not really used to this kilometer miles per hour thing. I guess I should have looked up a converter. Make sure I'm not speeding, I guess. Hey Siri, what is 40 miles an hour in kilometers?
40 miles per hour is 64.37 kilometers per hour.
There we go, guys. 64. Very, very different being on this side of the road. It is strange. Very weird. Loving it. Loving it so far. Honestly, I could wake up from a dream right now and I wouldn't be surprised. This is just so different, so amazing. Thank you, Connor. Thank you, Connor. I'm sorry to put you in the situation that you had to give people's money back and stuff like that. I am extremely, extremely thankful to have this in my life now. This just feels so crazy to me. First obstacle, turning right from the right-hand side. Little weird, little challenging, little scary. Oh man, this feels unreal to me. It's like riding on a cloud. BC coilovers, man, who'd have known? Might need some spares in the future, BC. Might need some spares in the future. First little test fit. We got a nice little drink down here. The drink fits. Look at that. It fits in the holder just barely. All right, let's take this puppy home and park her in the garage. It's actually mine. It's here in the garage. Wow. I just want to thank everyone in Antidote Drift. I know it's a little weird for me to buy a car that was on raffle, but I couldn't let it go. So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. I hope you guys stick around for plenty more to come. We have plenty to come on the channel. Mike's going to be fixing up his 350Z. We have to put a little bit of angle on the JZX 100 on Brian's car, and we're actually building an entire car for Connor. It's going to be special, man. It's going to be special. It's just a bunch of dudes being dudes, and that's it. So I hope you guys are along for the ride. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Until next time, man, like, comment, subscribe. It does a lot for us if you guys leave a comment down below, and make sure you hit that like button. Y'all have a great day, guys. Peace.